Hello children, this is Amita Dalwadi from JHB Sardar Primary English School. In this video, you will learn about chapter number 1, Rational Numbers of Standard 8 of subject Maths. Topic you will learn is distributive property. Here you will have to learn distribution of multiplication over addition. Children, it can be written in general form as A multiplied by B plus C is equal to AB plus AC. Here multiplication is distributed over addition of B and C, and hence we can get right hand side AB plus AC. Now let us understand with example. Suppose minus 3 upon 3, 2 upon 3, minus 5 by 6 are given three rational numbers. Now let's verify the distributive property for these three numbers. Okay. So when we write the distributive property for these three numbers, it can be written as minus 3 upon 4 multiplied by 2 upon 3 plus minus 5 upon 6 is equal to, now here we have to distribute this multiplication with 2 upon 3 and minus 5 by 6, 1 by 1. So we can write here minus 3 upon 4 multiplied by 2 upon 3. Let us put this number in a bracket. Now here positive sign is there, addition for sign for addition is there, so we will write here addition, and this multiplication now to be distributed with 5 upon 6, minus 5 upon 6. So here we will get minus 3 upon 4 multiplied by minus 5 upon 6. Okay, so distribution property for rational numbers minus 3 upon 4, 2 upon 3 and minus 5 by 6 can be written as minus 3 upon 4 multiplied by 2 upon 3 plus minus 5 upon 6 is equal to minus 3 upon 4 multiplied by 2 upon 3 plus minus 3 upon 4 multiplied by minus 5 upon 6. Now children, let us verify this, that left hand side is equal to right hand side or not. Whatever we have written here, that is correct or wrong. Okay, that is we have to prove that left hand side is equal to right hand side. Correct. So let us solve the first left hand side numbers. Okay, so here left hand side is minus 3 upon 4, 2 upon 3 plus minus 5 upon 6. So here we will first solve bracket. Okay, so we get minus 3 upon 4 multiplied by, when we solve this bracket, see here the denominator are different, so we need to find out the LCM. Here LCM will be 6. So denominator, in denominator we will get number 6. Here 2 to be multiplied with 2, so that we can get number 4. Minus 5 is to be multiplied with 1, so we will get number minus 5. Okay. Now let us solve this to bracket. So minus 3 upon 4 as it is multiplied by 4 plus minus 5 will give minus 1 upon 6. Okay. So the solution of this two number is 3 upon 24, and 3 upon 24 can be reduced to 1 upon 8. Okay, so here solution of left hand side we have got 1 upon 8. Now let's see the same number we are getting on right hand side or not. Okay, so let's see, right hand side is minus 3 upon 4 into 2 upon 3 plus minus 3 upon 4 into minus 5 upon 6. Okay, so let us solve first bracket, that is here both are with multiplication sign. So the answer of this product can be written as minus 3 into 2 gives minus 6. 4, product of 4 and 3 will give number 12. So here the solution of first bracket we have got minus 6 upon 12 plus the solution of product of second bracket will be 15 upon 24. Product of minus 3 and minus 5 will give 15 and product of 4 and 6 will give 24. Okay, now we need to solve this two bracket, right? So here addition sign is there and denominator are different, so we need to find out the LCM. LCM is 24, so here denominator we will get number 24. Here 6 is to be multiplied by 2, so that we can get number 12, and here 15 to be multiplied with 1, so we get number 15. Okay, so solution of this number is 3 upon 24 and it is to be reduced to 1 upon 8. So children, now see both the answer, that is left hand side answer and right hand side answer. Here we have proved that LHS is equal to RHS. Hence it is verified that distribution of multiplication over addition is possible for rational numbers. Same way you can take another example and you can verify distributive property of rational numbers. Okay children, thank you.